Hey everybody, this is Jessica Lynn from Jessica Lynn Original Studios, and today I thought I would just take you on a quick tour of our most recent hotel stay, which was at the Great Wolf Lodge in the Wisconsin Dells. Now the room that we got was a double queen sofa suite, and this room, it was really nice. Now it had everything that we needed, and I did do a full tour of the hotel. So if you're interested in that, at the end of this video, I'll put a link to that so you can take a look at it. But again, we are at the Great Wolf Lodge at the Wisconsin Dells. So let's go ahead and take a look at our hotel. So we were in 107, and it was maybe a less than 2 to 3 minute walk to the main area, so super close. You do get your bands. Now we didn't have them on yet, but you do wear your bands and they'll get you in your room. There is a lot of space in this room, which is kind of nice for families. Can sleep up to 6. So obviously we'll take a quick look at the bathroom. Plenty of towels. Loved the wolf print on the shower curtain. Thought that was a really fun touch. And just like traveling now, a lot of the hotels have a shampoo, conditioner, body wash right there in the room, which is nice. Back in the day, we used to have to go to like Walmart or Walgreens or something to go get it. There is a full sink, hair dryer, etc. And in this room, we're going to take a look at it in just a minute, but there's some other amenities that are really nice. We've got a 2-bedroom, 2 queens, and then there's a full sleeper sofa. And so that's nice. So again, there's your 6 people. In here, there's also plenty of mirrors and lighting. There is a full balcony. Now we were on the first floor, so we could actually get a nice view of the water slides, which was nice. And it was about 60 degrees that day, so super nice. We could just open it up, get a little fresh air, which is one of the things I like. Sometimes the water park hotels get a little humid inside, and so it's really nice to be able to get some fresh air. There was a nice little table with chairs so the kids had a place to eat. And then on the other side of that, there was a dresser, a nice TV with a QR code that you could scan to be able to get all your updates. And again, it was enough space for everybody in the family to kind of do what they had to do. So let's just go around over here. You can see there's also a door, so you could get an adjoining room, which is nice. Now, normal check-in is at 4 o'clock. Checkout is by 11. They do offer extended checkout times, but I'm going to tell you, we got there at 11 a.m. We weren't supposed to check in until 4. They didn't have a problem. They had a room available for us. So we were able to check in, and that was on a Saturday. So don't be afraid to come early. If for some reason your room isn't ready, they'll let you go and hang out at the water parks all day until it is. One of the things that I really love, and I wish Disney had this, is that there's a full microwave, a full fridge down below. So if the kids get hungry, you could bring snacks, put them in there. You could bring breakfast sandwiches to save some money, and you're not having to have a full kitchen or pay a lot of money to have a much larger room. So this is the room. Super nice, enjoyed it a lot. Definitely go and take a look at the Great Wolf. And I do want to take a moment and say thank you so much for watching this quick video on the hotel. If you're interested in more of our videos, I've got a full playlist on the Wisconsin Dells available, as well as on the left-hand side, you're going to see this specific video that'll take you on the full tour of the Great Wolf Lodge at the Wisconsin Dells. Don't forget to subscribe. We'd love to have you.